A man suddenly raised what looked like a handgun and pointed it directly at the officer, turning a routine 911 call into a life-or-death standoff within seconds. On the afternoon of July 4th, 2025, in a quiet neighborhood in southern Albuquerque, New Mexico, police received a frantic 911 call from a young man reporting that his brother was armed and threatening inside the home. That man was 21-year-old Jerry Baldonado. But when Officer Dominic Sanchez arrived and knocked on the door, the situation took a dramatic and unexpected turn.
Police department. Albuquerque police. What's up, y'all?
He raised a shiny black object that looked exactly like a handgun and pointed it straight at the officer. At that moment, a woman inside screamed, "He's got a toy gun."
Oh, dude, put it down! 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 You're gonna get shot! Put it down! Stop! Put it down!
The officer reacted instantly. He backed away, took cover behind a pillar, weapon drawn. His voice rang out, firm, urgent, a last attempt to defuse the situation without resorting to deadly force. He fired 3 rapid shots, hitting Baldonado in the arm, leg, and abdomen. Baldonado collapsed onto the gravel in front of the house, screaming in pain.
Put it down! Put it down! Your hands up! Hands up! You need 10 through the air, shots fired. Roll on your stomach! Roll on your stomach!
You think life is a joke?
Roll on your stomach!
You're fucking stupid!
Roll on your stomach!
And that was the tragic truth. The weapon Baldonado held was an airsoft gun, a near-perfect replica of a real firearm, indistinguishable from the real thing at a glance. Jerry Baldonado had a history of mental illness and developmental disabilities. In the past, he had made false 911 calls, including one claiming he'd been shot, which turned out to be entirely fabricated. Jerry Baldonado had a history of mental illness and developmental disabilities. In the past, he had made false 911 calls, including one claiming he'd been shot, which turned out to be entirely fabricated. Baldonado survived the shooting, but now faces charges of assaulting a law enforcement officer. In the state of New Mexico, using a fake weapon to threaten a law enforcement officer is classified as aggravated assault on a peace officer, a serious third-degree felony, or higher depending on the circumstances. Offenders may face 3 to 9 years in prison and fines up to $10,000, especially if the act posed a threat to the life of an officer in the line of duty.